Together, we can embark on a new journey towards success and fulfillment. New opportunities await. Let us help you seize them. Here are a few organizations in the UK that help offenders with work and training opportunities. Please note that I don't have access to specific email addresses, as they may vary and change over time. It's recommended to visit the respective organization's official website for contact information. National Careers Service provides career guidance, job search support, and training information. Website: https://nationalcareers.service.gov.uk/. Nacro offers employment support and training for individuals with criminal records. Website: https://www.nacro.org.uk/. Unlock provides information, advice, and support for people with convictions. Website: https://www.unlock.org.uk/. St. Giles Trust offers mentoring and support services to ex-offenders. Website: https://www.stgilestrust.org.uk/. Clinks supports voluntary organizations working with offenders and ex-offenders. Website: https://www.clinks.org/. Working Chance supports women with criminal convictions to find meaningful employment. Website: https://workingchance.org/. User Voice advocates for the rights of people with criminal records and provides support. Website: https://www.uservoice.org/. Catch-22 offers support and training for individuals involved in the criminal justice system. Website: https://www.catch22.org.uk/. Shannon Trust provides reading and learning programs in prisons to promote education and employment. Website: https://www.shannontrust.org.uk/. Forward Trust offers employment, training, and mentoring services for ex-offenders. Website: https://www.forwardtrust.org.uk/. The Prince's Trust provides support, mentoring, and training programs for young people, including those with criminal records. Website: https://www.princestrust.org.uk/. Blue Sky provides employment opportunities and support for ex-offenders through various industries. Website: https://blueskydevelopment.co.uk/. Novus delivers education, training, and employment services in prisons and the community. Website: https://www.novus.ac.uk/. Langley House Trust supports offenders and ex-offenders in their rehabilitation journey, including employment support. Website: https://www.langleyhousetrust.org/. Landworks offers training and work experience opportunities in horticulture and woodworking for ex-offenders. Website: https://www.landworks.org.uk/. Tempus Novo provides employment opportunities and mentorship for ex-offenders in the Yorkshire region. Website: https://www.tempusnovo.org/. Bounce Back offers training and employment opportunities in construction for ex-offenders. Website: https://www.bouncebackproject.com/. Shannon Trust provides reading and peer mentoring programs to improve literacy and employability for prisoners. Website: https://www.shannontrust.org.uk/. Working Wardrobe supports ex-offenders with appropriate clothing and interview preparation for job seeking. Website, https://workingwardrobe.com/. If you need help, just ask.